Are you tired of feeling like you're just getting by financially, never really saving enough or understanding where your money goes? What if I told you you could start changing that today? Not by winning the lottery, but by mastering a few simple rules that could revolutionize your financial life. In today's video, Rules of Being Financially Literate, we're diving into the essentials of financial wisdom. Things they should have taught us in school but didn't. I'm here to fill that gap with clear, actionable advice that you can start using right now. From understanding the power of good debt versus bad debt to investing in ways that actually build your wealth, I've got you covered. And if you stick around till the end, I'll reveal the number one mistake most people make with their money. Something that could be holding you back from achieving financial freedom. Plus, I'll share real-life success stories of people who turned their finances around using the very principles we'll discuss today. So grab a notebook, take a seat, and let's unlock the secrets to transforming your financial future. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay on top of your financial game. Let's get started. Here's an eye-opener. Many folks think money is scarce and hard to earn more of. That is a misconception. In reality, there's plenty of money in the world. It's about knowing how to find it. Think of money like a game with specific rules. If you learn these rules, you can excel in managing your finances. In this video, I'll introduce you to 4 key rules of money. These fundamental principles will not only improve how you handle your finances, but also boost your confidence in your financial abilities. The tips I'm sharing today will elevate your understanding of money to new heights, but only if you're truly eager and dedicated to learning. Guess what? All this information is just a few clicks away with a simple online search. Despite being so accessible, over 90% of people still struggle with understanding money. Let's consider a typical scenario. Picture this. Alex just received his monthly paycheck and he has $1,800 left after taxes. Instead of saving or investing wisely, he spends it all on barbecues with friends and other unnecessary things. Does that sound familiar? Sadly, many of us act like Alex. But here's the good news. By changing a few poor habits and adopting the mindset of wealthy individuals, anyone can become rich. It's important to note, wealthy people understand money well, unless they stumbled into wealth through something like a huge inheritance or a lottery win. Yet, a shocking fact remains. 70% of lottery winners end up broke within a few years. This is because understanding money is crucial. Without this knowledge, you're likely to make bad choices and lose your wealth. So if you aim to stay rich over the long term, not just for a few years, you must learn about money. Unfortunately, schools often don't teach this, so you must educate yourself. The knowledge you need is readily available and often very affordable or even free. This leads us to an essential question. Why aren't more people learning about finance? There are 2 main reasons people neglect their financial education, even though it's virtually free. The first reason is old habits. Here's a key point. Financial education isn't something most people are comfortable with. We often grow up hearing sayings like, money doesn't grow on trees, or money is the root of all evil. These old phrases can foster a scarcity mindset, holding us back from financial growth. There's also a lot of confusion about debt. Many view it as solely as a negative, but that's not the whole story. If you use debt wisely, it can actually be a powerful tool for building wealth. It's vital to tune out those who don't understand money and listen to those who know how to make it. Think about it like learning a sport, such as skiing. You wouldn't take lessons from someone who has never skied, right? Instead, you'd learn from someone experienced, who has navigated the slopes many times. The same principle applies to managing money. Learn from the experts and you'll develop the skills much faster. The second major reason people shy away from learning about money involves comfort zones and self-esteem. To generate wealth, you need confidence and a strong self-image. You have to believe you deserve to be wealthier and happier. If you don't envision yourself as rich, you likely won't become rich. It's like a self-fulfilling prophecy. Imagine yourself as successful, confident, and wealthy. This vision will inspire you to step out of your comfort zone, which is vital for success. A wise person once mentioned, most people aren't successful because they fear success. That hits the nail on the head. Success requires taking risks and stepping beyond your usual boundaries. For example, if you dream of starting a business but lack the funds, you might consider taking a significant step like securing a loan. It's risky, but it's also a move toward realizing your dreams. Charisma and confidence are essential for wealth. Without the confidence to act, you won't achieve your financial goals. So, before you dive deep into financial education, it's crucial to build your own confidence, particularly in taking risks and handling failures. Confidence will empower you to take those risks and maintain your composure under pressure. Now that we've explored why many people avoid learning about finance and why it's critical, let's dive into the 4 most important rules for being smart with your money. Rule number 1. Don't invest in what you don't understand. Investing is key to making your money grow. Here's the truth: you won't become wealthy just by working for someone else. You need to make your money work for you. There are various investment options like stocks, bonds, real estate, and foreign currencies. But the most crucial investment, yourself. Invest in yourself first. Your mind is your greatest asset in making money. Learn all you can about running a business and managing finances. If you're not constantly learning, you'll lag in your field. Stay updated with information critical for your success. Invest in your business. If you own or plan to start one, you'll eventually need to invest in its growth. Just like a car needs fuel, your business requires investment to expand. This could be in marketing, research, or developing new products. Invest in real estate. Buying property is a wise strategy. Properties can appreciate over time and generate income if rented out. Real estate investment often starts with simple homes and progresses to larger ventures like commercial properties. You look for properties with untapped potential or needing improvements, enhance them, then sell for a profit when their value rises. Invest in stocks. When you buy stocks, you own part of a company. If the company thrives, you share in the profits according to your investment. Remember, the stock market carries risks, and losses are possible. No matter which investment you choose, it's crucial to fully understand it. There's plenty of misinformation out there, and some may try to deceive you for your money. Always conduct thorough research or consult with a trusted expert with experience in the area before investing. Now, on to rule number 2. Debt can be both a powerful ally and a formidable foe. This may sound surprising, but using debt wisely is an underrated skill. Those who master it can reap significant benefits, while those who avoid it out of fear miss out on many opportunities. Understand that there's good debt and bad debt. Bad debt, like certain student loans, can be overwhelming and financially harmful. It's essential that we don't let young people make massive financial decisions without fully grasping the consequences. So, handle debt cautiously and only take on what you can realistically manage. On the other hand, good debt is the kind you're confident you can repay. It's debt taken with a strategy in mind, and ideally, it should help you generate additional income. For example, you might borrow money to start a business. If successful, you can pay off the debt and then focus on expanding your business, as long as you keep up with your payments. It's also important to invest in things that boost your confidence and happiness. Do you really think skipping a few lattes will turn you into a millionaire? Instead of just pinching pennies, focus on acquiring new skills that can generate income and support the lifestyle you desire. This shift in mindset will help you identify opportunities to make money. Remember, assets are things that put money in your pocket, whereas liabilities take money out. Your brain is your most valuable asset. Enhance its worth by learning skills that are in high demand. These skills not only add significant value to the market, but also help you earn a substantial income. So, rather than working for someone else, develop skills that allow you to generate your own income by delivering results directly in the market. Find what matches your abilities best and start developing high-income skills to gather the resources needed to build more assets. I'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What's your biggest financial challenge, or what success have you had with managing your money? Your experiences enrich our community and also inspire others. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, investing in your financial education is not just about growing your wealth, it's about changing your life. Let's make those changes positive and lasting. Here's to your investing success, profitable investing.